So today we're going to look at set 2 sounds, and there are 12 sounds to learn in total. I'll just run through them straight away. So we've got A, E, I, O, U, R, O, E, Ow, Oi. So when we talk about set 2 sounds, we talk about having a hook picture for the children so that they can practice and think of that picture in their mind, that then will remind them of the grapheme, which is the written form. So for this one, we've got a picture of some children playing, and they're saying, "May I play A? May I play A?" This one. "What can I see? E. What can I see? E." Someone with a kite. "Fly high. I. Fly high. I." I've got a polar bear. "Blow the snow. O. Blow the snow. O." Children like this one. "Poo at the zoo. Oo." And this one. "Look at the book. O." And obviously what you've got there is the same grapheme, but what we do to start off with is to teach that the same grapheme has 2 different sounds. Is one of them is indicated, it has 2 little eyes, as in up or look at the book, and that one, poo at the zoo, oo. When we're teaching set 2, we also talk about sounds having special friends. So when these 2 sounds get together as special friends, it makes a different sound. So it doesn't say a, yeah, it says a, and it's saying the name of the first sound. So this is the letter A. So those 2 sounds together, A. It doesn't say eh. When they're together as special friends, the first one speaks and says E, E. And this one, there are 3 special friends, but the first one is doing the talking, and that's the letter I. So he's saying I. We don't go ig, I. And it's 3 letters, but 1 sound. And this one says O. The letter O. And this is poo at the zoo, so it's oo, oo. So when it's together, it doesn't say O, it says oo. And this one, O. So when we teach these sounds, the teachers will also, Fred talks some words with those sounds in them, and we practice alongside with their spelling. So d-a, day, pl-a, play, m-a, may, w-a, way, l-a, lay, s-a, say, tr-a, tray, spray, spray. So again, for each of the sounds, we have some words at the bottom that the children can practice spelling, but also recognizing those words as well. I will do a session where I'll show all of the green words, and that you can practice and use as a session with your children to practice reading and spotting those sounds in those green words. In addition to teaching the green words, we actually teach what we call nonsense words or alien words, which really just practice with the children that they're recognizing those sounds and putting those sounds together to make words. So here's an example. Sn-a, snay. T-a, tay. Bl-a, blay. T-ain, tain. The reason we teach nonsense words is obviously just to check that the children are recognising the sounds and that they can blend them together, but also when they're doing their assessment at the end of year 1, half of the words that they're assessed on are nonsense words and half are real English words. So we get the children into that mode of spotting the different sounds, and I always ask them to be super spotters when they come to me and we're trying to work out the sounds. So I'm just going to run through some more nonsense words for you. So eat, deet, e, sleep, e, zeeb, e, re, I, jai, ite, pint, ite, I, belie, ite, vite, trone, trone, plout, float, spo, voon, vroon, froon, smook, spoom, goot, doob. Obviously, because these phonemes make two different sounds, so oo or o, the nonsense words would be correct if the child read it with the o sound as well as the oo sound. So it could be d-oob or d-ub. Both would be correct in that instant. So here are the next 6 sounds. So we've got R and the picture. Start the car, R. Picture. Shut the door, or. Picture of a child saying, "That's not fair." Air. They're whirling and twirling, so it's whirl and twirl. Children are all shouting, so it's shout it out. Ow. And this one, toy for a boy, oi. And then we've got our set 2 nonsense words for those sounds. So we've got arp, farp, split arm, splam, ong, tong, morp, morp, orc, orc, ep, ep, quet, burl, spurl, smouth, blow, zoim, zoit. And with nonsense words, obviously you can put any sounds together that the children have learnt, and then you're just checking that they're recognising where those sounds are. And the sounds can either be in the middle of the word, or they can be at the end of the word, or they could be at the beginning of the word. So for instance, so as I say, I'll put together the green words in another video. Rather than me talking them through, I'll just have them as captions so you can practice with the children. So what we would also do with our cards is mix them all up, and you can mix them with the set 1 sounds as well. So they will now have learnt 31 set 1 sounds, 12 set 2 sounds, and then the set 3 sounds are the same phonemes but different graphemes, so the different way that each of these sounds is made. So let's have a last go. Air, or, R, A, I, O, oo, ow, oi, E. And what you can do is turn off my voice so that the children can practice. So I hope that's helped you with your set 2 sounds, and I look forward to seeing that the children are growing in confidence because they're practicing at home. Thank you. So I just want to run through some tips of how to build up these nonsense words. So when we're doing it, because there's an awful lot of letters there for children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters, but how many sounds? 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. So we go s, m, ow, and we break it down really slowly. So let's build it up. Sm, sm, smow, smow, smouth. And then for this one, the children can see 4 letters, but they need to recognise that it's only actually 2 sounds. So air, air. And this one, some children who are trying to look for a real word could read that as brill, because it has the same letters in to spell the word brill, but they need to be spotting that way round it says so b, earl, burl. And this one, the sound is in the middle, so it's p, I, pie, pite. And this one again, it's 3 letters but only 2 sounds, so 2 phonemes, t, a, te. And it's about practicing. The reason we do this is because at the end of year 1 the children all sit a test, and this is one of the tests from 2019, and they have 40 words that they have to read. So the first ones are alien words, as you can see, that they can spot. And we always teach the children for the alien words that they need to sound them out, because we're trying to trick them, we tell them. So they have to do it really carefully. And then they move on to real English words which don't have the picture, so obviously they then know that those are real words. So that's part 1, and then it goes on to the set 2 and set 3 sounds on part 2. I just want to say finally, thank you for sticking with these videos and supporting us with teaching your children at home. It really does help us with the children getting extra practice at home. So please continue doing it, and thank you for all your help.